Hi public, welcome to Reflect Tech YouTube channel. This video discuss about by YouTube influencer marketing in 2024. How to do it right. So let's start my video. YouTube influencer marketing in 2024. How to do it right. Learn why YouTube influencer marketing is a must-have strategy. We have expert tips and inspiration-worthy campaign examples to help you get started. Social media pioneer of long form videos content will still a powerhouse for influencer marketing is 2024. Cash in Point, the near to 20 years old video network, is second most visited website in the world. But you can brand leverage YouTube influencer, but you reach your marketing strategy and expand your reach online. Future Nispo worthy example and seasoned marketers says for finding the right influencer for your brand. We are taking to all below down below table of content. Who are YouTube influencers? 16 top YouTube influencer in 2024. 5 inspiration YouTube influencer marketing campaign. Expert tips for working with YouTube influencer. Who are YouTube influencer? YouTube influencer or YouTube are content creator or YouTube who have accumulated a large following, high number of subscriber on the platform. Influencer on YouTube may share recommendation for product or service to buy and are often hired by brands to create promotional content for unboxing captured on the laptop webcam to scan worthy product. This internet personalities have the type creativity and influencer of worthwhile partnership. Type of influencers on per YouTube. There is a YouTube influencer for every niche and industry, but most social media marketers define influencer types by the number of subscribers they have. Nano influencer and micro influencer 100k subscription, macro influencer 100k 1 million subscription, mega influencer 1 million plus subscription. 16 top YouTube influencer in 2024. ICYMI subscriber influence, the most marketable creator who know how to create engaging content, connect with their community and secure a high ROI for brand partners. It's in no particular order. Here's our shortlist for the top YouTube influencer in 2024. Emma Chamberlain. YouTube turned top influencer. Emma Chamberlain is the epitome of a brand stream collaboration, authentic creation, creative and a subscription count of a whopping 112M. Her success on the platform led to massive win like Met Gala appearance and 20M coffee brands. Plus, she is still ranking up millions of views on her most recent videos. Marcus Brownlee. If you are in a breakdown of latest and greatest tech, it's likely you stumble upon Shirley Brownlee. Now your YouTube is MKABHD. Whether its newest iPhone is too good to be truly AI tools, Marcus 19.5 million subscribers can count in its honest review, usually accommodation by fitting tag accessories or app sponsorship. Mahum takes comfort YouTuber to a whole new level. In other words, she is currently 38 million plus views, creating cozy courses, tutorial. It's only fitting a partnered with companies like Skillshare to help 70k plus subscriber master the craft. T Noir. Culture and commentary YouTube influencer T Noir deep rivers helps foster and perform video on SNH. And while her upload and understandably appears on Broadway and standby for exposed to her half a million plus subscribers. D.R. Kent's Honda Physiology in Seattle. Dr. Create Honda Eka Physiology in Seattle in the 2-for-1 deal. Renowned therapist and YouTube influencer to his 73k plus subscriber, and the creator of a unique perspective to the platform used by using psychology, physiotherapy, and cultural lens to read the pop culture TV shows and other trendy topics. Plus, he often sees and deal with the sponsorship from a wellness brand. Andrew Rea, Rabish Culinary Universe. Andrew Rea, Eka Babish Culinary Universe, formerly bringing with Babish content is where film and culinary interest. And after nearly 100 years and serving up content to its 10.2 million subscriber, food and beverage companies are still lining up to support his channel. Drew Gordon, reaction and commentator Drew Gordon and Jam, especially when it comes to sponsorship, entertaining and so much that fans look towards and see the yourself below. Dr. Shirin Adris, Pillow Stock Them. Skincare tips and tricks straight from a board 35 mortalist. It's no wonder their Shirin Adris Pillow Talk Them. It's gained 1.48 million subscribers over half a decade. Plus, with video views landing and a million ads emerged from its YouTube influencer equal the ultimate stamp of approval. Jackie Anna, for luxurious GRWS self-care and real talk about industry, beauty, getting opportunities, a peak and interviewing President Biden. PewDiePie, with 30 years under his belt, PewDiePie is a OG gaming creator on YouTube, and he has a 111 million subscribers to go with. His million of active viewers in 2024 are a signal to video game makers that if a PewDiePie has played, its audience won't buy it. Tracy P. When either a video is Desi culture or pop culture brand, Tracy B has a microphone in his hand. Its YouTube influencer dry humor and ability to break down the news topics is what grew her 100k subscribers and keep 1000 tuning in. Tegano Wallace, top culture commentators Tegano Wallace is on what's a 2 million subscribers is on views topical outlets. The subscriber count making the top choice brand partner for teach companies like Opera, Grammarly. Courtney Adana, Courtney, from lifestyle content and reaction videos. Adana, better known as Courtney, does it all. Her influence personality generates a million of followers and few years tag for sponsorship these days. Our guest is she's thriving. Brittany Ballin. She's mom, she's YouTuber, influencer and audience over half of Brittany Ballin. Taxi Metal. Our reviews track roll YouTube areas is Martel track makeup sponsorship all kind are future on the channel. Black Rumble BKR vlogs. Black Rumble is a BKR vlogs Hawaii born and travel vloggers feeding foods and with lifestyle brand the perfect fits. Inspiring YouTube influencer marketing campaign. The key to successful influencer marketing partnership, a good match. Jaden Animation X AFK journey. What if gut gifting as a YouTube animation and gamer or 13.7 M plus subscriber teaming up with the leading video games. To journey camp and why followers games. Candor Rai X NCMEC, true crime or YouTube. Candor Rai ongoing partnership with the national influencer marketing isn't exclusive to for-profit companies. Candle sells Mercedes and matches donation college qualification with an active true crime listener. Tony Lipsey X Loomis Canadian Light. Igniting brands are joining for the creator and who enjoy a product can only assume Tony sends buyers Loomis way. Laila Acosta X Addicted. Back to school is shopping cinematic with August and that work. In this 10-minute exclusive haul and lifestyle and fashion creator showcase her addicted picked and 591k subscribers. She also encouraged the shop combines 39 m plus views and knew what had to do. Addie Burback asks Sophie. When the goals it is every Mercedes, it's not America. You can only hope a season sponsored will help to fund the journey. Addie Caesar stay at time. The collaboration is win for everyone. Everyone is wild, and here's what she had. Find someone your target audience loved. When you come since landing and prefer partnership and before what you are looking to achieve. Why before I lied we have known objective the better than partnership will go and let's influencer to do in best creator their content and on wise Christian says. Her process always encourage creator to explore our AI tools themselves, ask questions and stretch and what feel natural best to because their audience was interest to small business tool like durable she adds. Bonus rather than paying only one macro influencer, you can work with a few macro influencer for a campaign or launch reaching multiple community and voice. Focus on long-term relationship. When you find YouTube influencer, you are a strong brand fit. Christian says a partnership doesn't have to end with the one-off campaign. Building long-term relationship create just trust with both the influencer and their audience. The influencer become a real advocate for your product, meaning you will see positive result over time. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।